Was it difficult to convince you to go bare-chested on the ramp and walk in that bold manner?
Was it difficult for them?
No, was it difficult for you to convince yourself also maybe?
Convince myself? No, it was not difficult at all. I go according to what is needed. Not necessarily I just have to remove my shirt and just walk around without any reasons. There was the proper reason, that's why I went ahead with it.
Now that Akshay has turned bare chest, will you be giving a tough competition to Salman?
There's no competition. Why are you making it sound like a very competitive thing? I mean, say we are not competing with each other. I'm just doing my work, and there's no competition. So I don't see the question of thing.
Akshay, you said you don't endorse too many products. You just endorse products that you believe in. Would you want to specify on that?
Well, as many as you know that I take my endorsement very personally. Even my family do. If it ain't me, then forget about it. And you don't get more personal than this one. Like most men out there wear 501, I'm sure. So do I. My father used to wear it. So do many people's fathers, and your forefathers must be wearing that, because it is a brand. It's a brand which is there since ages now. So back in the day, it gave me many pleasures. So I'm just telling people, it's going to do the same to you all too. So unbutton yourself.
Akshay, you walked the ramp after a very long time. Akshay, you walked the ramp after a very long time. So were you nervous? Did you have jitters while walking? I mean, before walking?
Well, walking ramp is a very simple thing. You can do it. This cameraman can do it. Everybody can do it. It's just like take a walk and come back. And बीच में अगर मन किया तो फिर रुक जाओ. Look left, then look right, then look straight and come back. What is so difficult about it?
Plan to buy the first jeans for your son.
I think we learned this when we were 3 years old when we were walking.
अच्छा अक्षय पंजाब से निकल के आज इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड के आप एम्बेसडर बने हैं. आप यूथ के लिए क्या कहेंगे? उनके दिमाग के कौन से बटन खोलने चाहिए?
उनको मैं वैसे तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं कि आप ये आर्टिफिशियल चीज़ों पे ना विश्वास रखें. ये जो स्टेरॉइड्स हैं, ये जो पाउडर जो मिलते हैं मार्केट में, इन चीज़ों पे ना विश्वास रखें. अपने आप पे विश्वास रखें और शॉर्टकट तरीका ना इस्तेमाल करें अपने बॉडी बनाने का. एक जो बाकायदा बहुत सही तरीका होता है विच लॉन्ग्स लास्ट, एकदम काफ़ी देर तक टिका रहता है. तो और आपके संतुलन भी ठीक रहता है दिमाग का. तो मेरे हिसाब से सबसे पहले तो मैं उन लोगों को ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो आप भी कर सकते हैं. और ये भी सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ होती है अपने माँ बाप का ध्यान रखना. अपने माँ बाप का ध्यान रखें, उसको हमेशा सक्सेस हमेशा मिलेगी. ये मैंने देखा है, सीखा है और किया.
Akshay, you said you're not competing, but you still have to unbutton.
Sorry?
Any mind lock that you unbuttoned for yourself and it really proved helpful for you?
Well, as time has been progressing from time to time, what I was and what I am, I have unbuttoned a lot of things. I think more than me, this gentleman knows me since last 20 years. He can tell you.
अक्षय, जो हमने ऐड देखा, आपको हमारी इंडियन ऑडियंस जो है इसे एक्सेप्ट कर पाएगी?
Sorry?
हमारी इंडियन ऑडियंस इस तरह के एड्स को एक्सेप्ट कर पाएगी?
Do you think anything is wrong, ma'am? It is just what did you find anything wrong in it? It is about one girl. जो आप फिल्मों में तो इससे भी ऊपर देखते हैं, तो इसमें कोई गलत थोड़ी किया है. It's just about attitude, about unbuttoning yourself, about your mind. It's about freeing yourself. It's about freedom of speech, or freedom of movement. Mostly it's freedom of one's desire. So just come out of it and be yourself.
Akshay, you said you're not competing with anyone, but still if you had to give a comment, if you had to give a comment still, you said you're not competing, but still if you had to say, who do you think has the best body right now in Bollywood? Because we've seen your body unmash it today.
Will it be nice if I say it? Wouldn't be nice if you all say it better?
We're actually your opinion.
Well, to me, to me, I think a real good physique, if I would say, is Sunny Deol's. A real good physique, without any artificial things or something. That man has real power.
Akshay, you just said, I mean, you gave a reply in Hindi, you also do it for English, which is a 118-year-old brand, and you're the first Indian to be endorsing it. What do you have to say?
Well, I feel very good about it. I feel grateful that they came up to me and they asked me to do it. It's a brand which I have been using it since last 35 years, 36 years. So it was great to be associated with them.
Okay, a reality show, now a reality commercial. What is that? What would you say on those?
Don't you like real things in life? So that's what I'm trying to give. The reality thing, the real thing.
For how many years is this contract?
Sorry?
For how many years is this contract?
Forever.
Yeah, it's forever. We've just started the. I mean, it's just started. And this is the beginning,
अभी
right?
शुरू हुआ है, आप पूछने कब खत्म होगा? It's a very strange thing you ask me.
After you're carrying a very sturdy, as you've always carried, but very fit and sturdy look. Is it going to be because of the films that you're doing now? It's the kind of characters you're taking on.
Sorry, I just get you, darling.
The look that you're carrying these days, very fit.
Look,
and,
center,
is it because of the films that you're going to be seen in times to come? The characters, such characters you're taking, like maybe action characters or
nothing
something.
like that. In Chandni Chowk to China, I have a paunch.
Okay.
The character I follow it. I mean, you don't have to just always do the fit role. You have to do a little bit whatever you feel like. So.
So Akshay, are you thinking on the lines of integrating this brand in your movies also now that you've started your own production as well? So would you integrate this brand in your movies?
Sure, we will do it.
In what way?
In what way that we have not decided yet. We just still have a lot of time. We just today introduced ourselves to you all. So give us some time, then maybe we can go ahead with it.
Would you
अक्षय
like to have
स्पॉन्ज
it
को लाने
designed
के लिए उस स्पॉन्ज को लाने के लिए रियलिटी में आपने कुछ किया कि आर्टिफिशियल स्पॉन्ज
Artificial paunch बना दिया.
Actually, you'll be celebrating your birthday next month. Any plans for that?
Yeah, my plan